outside profile. I've already tool pathed those, as you can see. Right, so that takes about 2 minutes to do. So all we've got to do now is click the save button and save the tool path as, I'm going to save it as monkey. And we replace that because I've already got it saved. I can minimize this. Now all I have to do, press the load file button. Monkey is the file I want. There's the monkey on the screen, gives me all the dimensions, etc. Okay, so the code's loaded. Now all we want to do is home the machine. So we've switched the machine on, but the machine doesn't know where it is yet. So we've got a button down here, home all. We press that, and the machine will home itself into the corner. Okay, now the machine's ready to run, and it may have the wrong tool in. Just for instance, at the moment it's got a 12mm tool in, but we're going to be putting a V bit in. In theory, that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm not actually going to do the tool changes, but I'll show you what the machine does. If I press cycle start, it will come across for me to change the tool. It's okay. So pick up 2 spanners, undo the collet, slide the tool out, slide the new tool in, and when we're done that, we just press cycle start. And cycle start will take it, and then we've changed the tool now, so it's a different length. Right, so imagine this tool is a different length. Now we're going to just leave the same tool in. So the tool now goes down, it'll probe itself. I'm going to speed this up a little bit, that's still in test mode at the moment. Maybe about twice as fast as that going down. You'll hear the computer beep as it measures. The tool is now measured. Saves the measurement. And now the file starts to run. That should be hopefully. I'm running above the board. This is the spoil board. So the work would normally be on top of that. And that would have been our V-cuts done in the top of the board, which would be 18mm above where we were. Now it's asking me to change the tool again. So this time we're going to go for an end mill, and it's a 6mm. So that's what we would pop in. So let's do the same again, pick up the tools, change the tool. Once we finish that, just press cycle start. Press cycle start, and she measures the tool again. Let's speed that up a little bit. Yeah, and that's about where it would be, the speed it would be in production. Measure the tool very accurately, accurate to 0.005mm. Spindle starts up. This would be the new tool now, the cutout tool. As you can see, straight down, that would be 18mm into the wood. That was our inside cutout. Doing the outside cutout. Be the job completed. The machine will now go and park itself back to the corner. There definitely isn't anything on the market that is as simple to use as this machine. It's so simple, a child could do it. Everything's already done for you programming wise. All you've got to do is change the tools and obviously do your drawings correctly to cut what you want. Okay, thanks for watching.